Hello friends, this is the presentation on transport layer security. Outline of the presentation: web security threats, web traffic security approaches, secure socket layer SSL, transport layer security TLS, HTTPS, secure shell SSH. Web security threats. This table shows all the threats grouped into the according to the security services: integrity, confidentiality, denial of service, and authentication. The threats in the category: integrity, modification of user data, Trojan horse browser, modification of memory, modification of message traffic in transit. And the consequences of these threats are loss of information, compromise of machine, vulnerability of all other threats. The countermeasures are cryptographic checksums. In the same way, another group of threats is in confidentially eavesdropping on the net, theft of info from others from server, theft of data from client, info about network configuration, information about which client talks to server. The consequences are loss of information, loss of privacy, and the countermeasures encryption and web proxies. Similarly, these are other threats. Web traffic security approaches: IP security, IPsec at network layer, transparent to end users and applications. It has a filtering capability. Secure socket layer SSL, transport layer security TLS above transport layer, transparent to applications, can be embedded in specific packages. Web traffic security approaches continue. Most web servers have implemented the protocol application specific security services embedded within the particular application. The service can be tailored to the specific needs of a given application. Secure socket layer SSL provides a reliable end-to-end secure service at TCP. SSL record protocol provides basic security services to various higher layer protocols. The handshake protocol, the change cipher specific protocol, and the alert protocol are used in the management of SSL exchanges. SSL protocol stack: this is the IP protocol, TCP protocol, about TCP protocol, SSL record protocol, and SSL handshake protocol, SSL change cipher specific protocol, SSL alert protocol, and HTTP. SSL record protocol provides two services for SSL connections. Confidentiality: define a shared secret key used to encrypt SSL payloads. Message integrity: define a shared secret key used to form a message authentication code MAC. SSL record protocol operation: first of all, the application data, it is divided into fragments, and then each fragment is then compressed. Then a message authentication code is added to the compressed message. Then we encrypt the message, then append a SSL record header, and then transfer to the higher level. SSL specific protocols, change cipher specific protocols use SSL record protocol, consist of a single message value, a value 1 of 1 byte. Alert protocol convey SSL related alerts to the peer entity. Each message consists of 2 bytes, level and alert, each of 1 byte. Handshake protocol allow the server and client to authenticate each other, negotiate an encryption and MAC algorithm and cryptographic keys to be used to protect data. Each message has 3 fields: type, length, and content. And this is the diagram of a handshake protocol actions. The first phase is the client server communication and the first phase establishes security capabilities, include protocol versions, ID, cipher suit, compression method, and initial random numbers. And in the second phase, server may send certificate key exchange and require certificate server signals and of hello message phase. In the third phase, the client sends certificate if requested, client sends key exchange, client may send certificate verification. In the last phase and phase 4, change cipher suit and finish handshake protocol. Transport layer security TLS. TLS record format is same as that of SSL record format. Different is in version values. TLS makes use of the HMAC algorithm. TLS supports all of the alert code defined in SSL version 3. TLS supports all of the key exchange techniques of SSL version 3. HTTPS, HTTP over SSL. To implement secure communication between a web browser and a web server, URL, uniform resource locator addresses begin with HTTPS rather than HTTP. HTTPS continue. Following elements of the communications are encrypted: URL of the requested document, contents of the document, contents of the browser forms, cookies sent from browser to server and from server to browser, contents of HTTP header. Secure Shell SSH, a protocol for secure network communication. SSH1 provides a secure remote login facility to replace Telnet. SSH provides a more general client-server capability. SSH organizes these three protocols that run on top of TCP. Secure Shell continue. Transport layer protocol provides server authentication, data confidentiality and data integrity. User authentication protocol authenticates the user to the server. Connection protocol multiplexes multiple logical communication channels over a single underlying SSH connection. And this is the SSH protocol stack at the bottom, internet protocol, then TCP, and just above the TCP SSH transport layer protocol and SSH user authentication protocol, SSH connection protocol. Thank you.